The temple of the living God does not share space with idols. Welcome to Praise Church AZ. We read the Bible together every day. Please subscribe and follow along. Today, in our King James Version series, our word of the day comes from our chapter reading, 2 Corinthians chapter 6, verse 16. And what agreement hath the temple of God with idols? For ye are the temple of the living God, as God hath said, I will dwell in them and walk in them, and I will be their God, and they shall be my people.